So whenever you feel ready, I invite you to gently close your beautiful eyes. Just take a centering breath, becoming more present in the here and now, giving yourself permission to switch off from everything that's happened thus far in your morning. And then placing one or both hands over your heart. And starting off our healing meditation together with an internal, I love you. Saying I love you to your heart. I love you no matter what's come before. I love you no matter what's ahead. And I love you in this moment. Work with a mantra today to help continue the journey of healing our heart. We come to gatherings like this for so many reasons, but one that is common to us all is we've been hurt in this life. And we choose to create a new story. So as you take a deep inhalation, breathing these words into your heart. I am a child of God. Reassuring yourself. I am a child of God. 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 If there's any resistance to this idea, just feel it, notice it. If other thoughts are trying to creep in other than I am a child of God, just gently releasing those thoughts. I am a child of God. I am a child of God. Feeling your heart under your hand. Feeling how God lives there with each breath. I am a child of God. allowing yourself to immerse in this energy of self-acceptance and love, unconditional love from God, the divine. No matter what we've done, we are children of God. That is our true identity. And now, turning our attention to calling to mind someone in your life who has hurt you. This could be a big hurt, or this could be a small hurt. Bring this person to mind. And now saying this mantra, this healing affirmation, from your soul to their soul, reminding yourself, even if it's difficult, reminding yourself that they are just like you. They are a child of God. You 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 too are a child of God. Heart may hurt, and I may feel tension in my body when I think of you, but I'm on the journey to remembering that you are a child of God, just like me, just like me. We are no different. You are a child of God. Say it with me in your mind, or sing it out loud with me. You are a child of God. You are a child of God. You are a child of God. Feeling whatever emotions are coming to the surface, let them be. Integrating them into your body and your soul. And now moving our attention energetically to all the beautiful beings that occupy this room with us now. These friends, these beloved brothers and sisters who are on the same wavelength, on the same path of awakening. Feeling gratitude in our hearts for the support all around us. Placing a hand on our heart and feeling that warmth in our heart, and then visualizing or sensing that heart spreading outward to all the lovely beings in this room. Remembering our shared identity. We are children of God. 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 Taking a deep breath into the heart space. And as we exhale, let that love and gratitude from our heart for our brothers and sisters in this room spread outward, filling up every inch of this whole space. And again, taking a deep breath in, feeling the gratitude into our hearts, and then exhaling, spreading that light, that loving light energy out into the room, every inch of this room being full, filled with light. And then calling in the person that you were thinking about a few minutes ago, the person that you're on the healing journey with, the forgiveness journey. And then imagining that that being is sitting in this room. Feel whatever emotions come up. And then imagining the light that we've generated here together is filling them to, filling every inch of their body, filling their heart. Continuing to watch as the light fills this being, every inch of them. And then imagine this being smiling. Imagine this being as their highest, most healed and awakened self. Feel whatever emotions are coming up. And feel inside of yourself how this person's highest healing is inevitable. We may not know when it will happen, but it will certainly happen. Therefore, we allow ourselves to let go of any resentment we may hold, and we simply celebrate them. We are children of God. Sing with me or to yourself silently. We are children of God. We are children of God. We are children of God. Yes, we are children of God. Taking that hand and placing it over your heart. Giving gratitude for this moment, this opportunity to heal together. Knowing that we can bring this mantra with us to the rest of our day. I am a child of God. You are a child of God. We are children of God. Let that be your mantra, your reminder the rest of the day, no matter what may be happening. Sending our love and blessings out to all the beings who may need our love and blessings. Thank you for practicing with me this morning. Namaste.